Simon here from Perfect Pools, and this is our next victim. Let's have a look. We're going to redo the fountain for the customer, take the tiles off, put new tiles on. We take all the old fiberglass out and put new fiberglass in. That side there, I wonder if you can see it. I'll try and zoom in quickly, and then fix the cracks on that, and then have a brand new pool. What a lovely day on Boschenmeer Golf Estate. Okay, until next time, bye. Simon's back again, and we are halfway through it. Guys, it's actually stripped the whole pool. Like I showed you yesterday, the crack was fixed. Everything looks good. Fixed it this morning. Guys are doing laminating. I'm going to try and get around the edge here so that you can get an idea. I don't want to fall in the pool, but there's one of the guys doing the laminating. So that's it. We've also taken off all the tiles that was on there yesterday. We will probably start later this afternoon, tomorrow, with the retiling of the pool. So the next time you see this pool, it will be spotless blue, and the water will be in, and it will be perfect. Stay tuned. Remember to like our Facebook page and YouTube channel and everything else. And remember, if you want your pool to be done, just click the link below or Google Perfect Pools, and we'll be able to assist. But in the meantime, wait for the next final product. See you later. Bye. I'm back again in morning. I'm back again in Paarl. Probably one of the nicest customers, probably one of the nicest pools we've done in a very long time. Awesome. And then obviously we're on Boschenmeer, one of the nicest estates ever. I see one of my guys is already here, and that is the final product. Pool is looking absolutely fantastic. Eric, hello.
Yes, sir.
Eric, my right hand man, been with me for 20 years. We've just come from Dwarskerstbos. Spent a lot of time me pep talking him about summer and what we need to do to take it to the next level. Anyway, so yeah, pool looking fantastic. We also redid the actual fountain, looking brilliant. We put it off now because we actually wanted to dry it out. We want to seal it tomorrow, but that's about it. So yeah, we just got some rubble to remove, but all in all, the pool is looking absolutely fantastic. Customer is super happy, and yeah, we are done. So from my side, until next time, and if you want to get your pool done, remember, click the link below, Google Perfect Pools, and we'll be able to assist you. From my side, until next time, bye.